Maynila, dati palang Islamic City?
As you all know, Manila is an Islamic city. That is true and correct. In the beginning, our Ras and Lakans is leading the city in different geography of Manila.
Kung curious kayo mga kababayan, sabay-sabay nating panoorin ang buong video.
Again, good morning.
Morning.
Kanina po marami nang nabanggit. Didiinan ko na lamang yung ilan sa nabanggit. Ito po, na patuloy kami ng inyong Vice Mayor at mga konsehal na kinikilala at lumilingon sa aming nakaraan at kasaysayan. We would like to emphasize that your city government continue to believe and recognize our history, particularly the city of Manila. That's why during my first term, in our own little way, to give special place for our loved ones. Nalulungkot kasi ako nung ako'y krusyal pa pag may namamatay na Muslim sa Isla Puting Bato, sa Parola, ako'y krusyal sa District 1. Hirap na hirap yung mga pamilya. Kailangan galing pa sa Mindanao, kailangan galing pa sa Taguig, puno na ang Taguig, galing pa kung saan. And ironically, as you all know, Manila is an Islamic city. That is true and correct. In the beginning, our Ras and Lakans is leading the city in different geography of Manila. And in this case, the Tondo area. And as you go around Tondo, you will continue to be reminded of those ancestors of ours. Lakandula, Rahabago, those are the streets named after sa aming mga ninuno. But through the years, nag-evolve ang mundo at naghalo ang mamamayan na may kanya-kanyang kultura, tradisyon, at paniwala. Kaya napaka-unique ng Maynila. Kasi sa Maynila, welcome lahat, kahit sino, kahit anong reliyon, kultura. Tulad ng sinabi ni Ambassador, in our own little way, we will continue to make you feel that this is our home. That's why the campaign of the City of Manila, ewan ko kung napapansin niyo, no? There's great meaning on it. Manila, my Manila. It's not only my Manila, it is your Manila. It's everyone's Manila. Now you can proudly say, that's my Manila. Because I belong here, we belong here, and we are welcome here. Kaya sa mga kapatid natin Muslim, noong unang termino ko, anong unang ipinakita ng lungsod sa inyo bilang paglingon? Katulad ng nabanggit ng mga nagsalita rito. Umanap kami ng espasyo. Napabuti pa, parang heritage park. Yung sa ating itinatag na Islamic Cemetery. Malinis, maayos, desente, at dito pa rin sa loob ng Maynila. Kaya po, ngayong araw, bukod sa mga anak natin nag-aaral sa ating mga pampublikong paralan, ginagamot sa ating pampublikong health center at hospital, kinakalinga, ginagalang at hinahayaan, tinutulungan din na maghanap buhay sa lungsod ng Maynila. And this is our ito'y patuloy naming pagkilala, pagpapahalaga sa ating mga kababayang Manileño na kapatid nating Muslim na naninirahan sa bawat sulok ng lungsod ng Maynila. Kaya pumanatag kayo. Sa Maynila, nangongonyat ako ng bully. Bawal ang bully sa Maynila. Iisa lang tayo. May kanya-kanyang relihiyon. As long as you believe in God. Kaya kita sa Maynila, di ba? God first. Here, lahat ng relihiyon ay malayang maipapakita, malayang magagawa ang kanilang paniwala. And today's event is not only about the food, it's not only about the commerce, it's about showing to everyone and even to the international community the diversity and inclusivity of the city of Manila. Kaya po, sabihin nyo sa kanila lahat. Sabihin nyo sa kanila, oy, welcome po kayo sa lungsod ng Maynila. Uli, congratulations. And I would like to give credit to DTI, to DOT, for supporting our fellow Manileños. Truly, the city of Manila is the window of opportunity to everyone. Hangad ko ang katagumpayan ninyo, and let's pray in this very important day to you and to us. Let's pray in our own little way to have the world of a peaceful community, mapayapa, panatag, at maaliwalas na pamumuhay sa lungsod ng Maynila, sa buong bansa, at sa buong mundo. Uli, ito ang inyong likod, maliit naming kaparanan, na lagi kaming susuporta at magbibigay mahalaga sa bawat mamamayan ng lungsod ng Maynila. Lalo na ngayong araw nito sa mga kapatid nating Muslim. Magandang araw, pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Manila! God first.
Manila, God first. Thank you very much to our Honorable Mayor Isko Moreno. We would like to request you, sir, to please stay on the stage for our presentation of our humble token of appreciation. We can have the picture po mamaya, but we'd like to request on the stage, Honorable Mayor, Mayor Isko Moreno for the awarding po of our humble token of appreciation. Requesting on the stage to award the plaque of appreciation, representative from the Office of the Secretary of the DTI, Ms. Donalyn Lobredo, and together with our program manager here in this event, nagugulo na tuloy ako, Director Dimnatang Radia. Allow me to read the citation. The DTI, Republic of the Philippines, the Department of Trade and Industry, Domestic Halal Industry Program Management Office presents the 2026 Halal Champion Award to Honorable Mayor Isko Moreno for his invaluable contribution in unwavering support to the domestic halal industry in the Philippines. Given this 27th day of May 2026 at the Cartilla ng Katipunan, Manila City Hall. Mayor, we would like to request also the our ambassadors, Her Excellency of Thailand and Ambassador Dato' Malik for a photo opportunity not together. And of course, Ma'am Vice Mayor Chi Atienza. Vice Mayor is also, and Madam Crystal Bagatsing as well. Yes. If you are here po, Chairman Amatondi, you are also being recognized to come up on the stage. Another special citation is given as well to Honorable Vice Mayor Chi Atienza. And of course, the workforce behind all of this activity now that we are having here, Madam Crystal Bagatsing. Yes. She is the chairman. Okay. We'll give you a time for a quick photo there, and then after that, we will be proceeding.